Yo guys, welcome back to another CPA build tutorial. So in this video we're gonna be using Craigslist.org as a traffic source to promote our CPA offers. So this video is not limited only for CPA build or CPA lead or CPA grab or OGS or all of this content locking CPA platforms. It's this video or this strategy works with all of the CPA or affiliate platforms that you can use. For example, like right here on fplus.com, we have a lot of offers and a lot of CPA offers. We have right here something like thousands, as you can see right here. Look how many pages, and each page contains tens of offers, something like we have actually, as you can see right here, as you can see, we have 39,650 offer, which is really so much, a lot of offers. So we're gonna choose these offers, and I'm gonna show you the strategy that you can follow to promote this CPE offers right here on Craigslist. So why we are choosing Craigslist? Because if you can look at here at similar web, I hope the extension works. Okay, so millions of people are using Craigslist, and something like the biggest percentage or the most of people that are using this platform are from the US, from Canada, from Taiwan countries, and this is a great traffic source because we have a super targeted traffic and a high quality traffic. We are talking about Taiwan countries, meaning that we have a lot of choices. We have a lot of options to and a lot of offers to promote right here. For example, as you can see, I go to the US part of this website, and let's choose a state. For example, let's say something like New York, and let's go with Albany. So as you can see, we will be able to watch or to see all of the offers that are available right there. But in our case, we will focus only on jobs. Why? Because we will pay other people to do jobs for us in this country. So we will hire them to do something for us, and I will show you what does that mean. It's similar to the CPA build and 5 video, the previous one. So as you can see right here, you can list something about housing, about community, about jobs, about services, about for sale if you have something for sale. And this is one of the best or the second best something like topic that you can use for sale. So you will use affiliate products. You will use some affiliate links of some affiliate products and just link them right here on Craigslist. And this way, people that are interested in this product and search for it in the internet, and so this way they will see your ad or your listing, and they will click on it, and if they are interested, they will purchase, and you will make some commissions from this. You can do something like gigs, and this is another best thing that you can do. For example, something like an event, computer, creative, labor, crew, something like talent, writing, domestic. For example, let's say something like writing, because I think it's more similar to what are we gonna be doing. For example, and here we go. We have a lot of listings right here. Peter marked, writing assistance, freelance writer wanted, pay $100 per article, remote, okay. Your dream job, paid writer, connector, and all of this stuff. So this is an example, and we have only something like a few, which is really good. So as you can see, for example, you create an account and you want to post something right here. You click on post or create an account first, and you click on post, and you will be able to post your CPE or your offer right here, because you can't insert your links directly. This is not good. The best thing is to to list, for example, what about your order, what you want. For example, let's say go to writing and type something like data entry or something like this, or sign-ups, or product testers needed, or something like that, So this way, these people are, and type how much money you're gonna pay for each order. For example, let's say if your order contains 10 CPA offers, type something like you will pay $10 per each order, and each order only requires something like 1 hour to complete this 10 offers, 10 CPA offers, and you are paying $10, and you will get paid something like $30, which is 200% ROI, return on investment, on your investment. And this is how it works. You just list the gigs right here, ask other people, they will contact with you via email, because once they type something like, okay, I want to go with this order, or I will go with this gig, I'm ready to do this. Okay, so once someone click on it, he will get asked to enter his information and something about him. So this way, he tried to convince you to accept him to work with you. So, and just people will start contacting you on this platform and via email. And once you receive the emails, you answer back to them and ask them, hey, I will pay you that much and that much, and you explain more about the offers and what he has to do. For example, it's saying single opt-in. So for example, say, hey, we just have some 10 offers from some random companies. They are just collecting some information about what our customer thinking about the devices and all of the stuffs. I just share those links and say, hey, just complete this one, share your thoughts and your opinions. This is just quick surveys. It's just a 10 quick surveys. After completing them, please send me back or text me back with the screenshots of each survey after you complete, or the last page of the CPA offer that says, hey, you are complete, or you are completed, or the offer are completed, and you enter all of your information rightly, and so this way he will provide you with the screenshots, and as well you can watch your data from your CPE tracking software or from your CPE platform account on the statistics. You can, for example, give him some sub links, okay, some something like different URLs. So for each one, give him different URLs. So this way you can see the performance of each one. This way you will have a good look at the states. So this way you can use Craigslist for CPA Build or any other CPA platform, and make sure, before I forget, make sure to choose only instant accepted traffic, because we are doing right now incentive traffic source. This is an incentive traffic source. Make sure the offer are accepting this incentive traffic source. So yeah, that was everything for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, give this video a thumbs up. See you in the next video.